You mentioned earlier that you and your sister co-own the business currently. So talk about that. How long have you guys owned it, and how did that transition?
So we became co-owners on March 9th,
2020.
2020, I think 3 days before the pandemic became official. Our father had passed away on March 8th, and the three of us had worked in the business. We had very small ownership shares in advance of all of this, and we had great advice to set up monthly meetings as owners to really work on what the succession plan was going to be for the business to ensure business continuity if something happened expectedly or unexpectedly, what that was going to look like. And that translated for me as CEO to communicating that with our senior management staff. Like I said, I'm a planner, and I knew if something was going to happen unexpectedly to my father, that all I'd want to do is grieve. I wouldn't want to have to be coming into work for a couple weeks. I'd want to be with family. So I made sure that was well communicated with our team, and that as owners, we talked about it and we're really comfortable with what the division of duties is going to be, what it's going to look like on paper, how that's going to ensure that the business continues without skipping a beat. So my father passed away unexpectedly, but the business did not skip a beat. And our senior management team, while my sister and I were grieving, held down the fort, literally, for those first 2 weeks as we were figuring out what we were going to do to keep our employees safe. And, if our business was going to get shut down, if it wasn't, what we were going to do, what we were going to do about all these customers that had really, critical infrastructure, essential operations that we were still obligated to support. So it went pretty smoothly.